What does it mean to be livid? I'm Jeff McQuillan from ESLPod.com. Let me explain the word livid by telling you a little story. When I was about 8 or 9 years old, just a young boy, there was a kid on our street near where I lived called Harold. Now, Harold was a nice kid, but he was a little mischievous. Mischievous means he liked to get into trouble. He caused problems. Usually we use that word when we're talking about a young child. Well, one day Harold was riding his bike, and he wasn't looking where he was going because he was yelling to someone. He was riding his bike and yelling at somebody without looking in front of him. Well, unfortunately, there was a woman who was walking down the street, and he accidentally hit the woman. Now, she didn't die, don't worry, but she did fall down. And when she got up, her face was red, and she was livid, meaning she was very, very angry. To be livid means to be extremely angry, so angry that your face sometimes turns red. Now, I live in Los Angeles where it's very sunny and my face turns red all the time, but that doesn't mean I'm livid. Okay, livid is when you're very angry. Now, one more thing before we go. We have a new service here at ESLPod called Unlimited English, and I think you're really going to like it. Click on the link below this video or in this post and take a look. From Los Angeles, California, from beautiful Los Angeles, California, I'm Jeff McQuillan. Thanks for listening.